Okay, let's dive into Kevin O'Leary's blueprint for getting rich. It's actually simpler than you'd think.
For him, it all kicked off with one really harsh lesson at an ice cream shop.
And right then, he realized you have to make a choice. Are you going to be an owner or a scraper?
That choice, it leads right into his first big rule, one he got from his mom, Georgette.
Okay, so her rules were dead simple. You got to save and invest 20% of every single paycheck.
Number 2, you absolutely have to diversify. No more than 5% in one stock or 20% in any sector.
So, this same discipline hits your biggest cost, housing. And yeah, O'Leary has a very strict rule. Here it is. Never, ever let your housing costs go over 1/3 of what you make, period.
So, it takes discipline to get your money right. And guess what? It's the same for your focus.
This is a huge lesson from Steve Jobs. You got to focus on the signal, not all the noise. Get this. Jobs was at 80% signal. Elon Musk, a full 100%. Most of us are stuck at 50-50.
But here's where it gets really interesting. Applying that same discipline to your relationships.
I'm serious. It's not buying a house or picking a stock. So what is that one critical decision?
The answer is who you marry. Yep, the person you choose to spend your life with.
Look, he says money fights, not cheating, are what really end marriages, so you gotta do your homework.
So, what's the one thing that ties all of this together, the common thread through everything?
At the end of the day, it's all about discipline. That ability to say no is the real key.
The plan is laid out for you. So, I gotta ask, what's the first signal you're gonna act on?